since the last time we were here. Yeah, a little. Let me do a little.
Don't hit the butterfly.
Why not? Well, there used to be a road here.
The road. We just have to know where it is.
You can see my tracks. You almost can't see the damn tractor. There's the equipment that'll puncture my tires. That's the thing I'm most nervous about when I come around here is not hitting that shit. Oh. See how good the GoPro stabilizes this, because I know it gets rough right here. I probably could have cleaned my windshield out. Windshield off. No, it
Better
was.
than it was last time we were out here.
Yeah, I guess it rained on it.
Yeah.
It finally rained on it. Alright, and we're almost to the pit. That's what I named this spot. The pit. There we go. Alright. I made it. Oh, I got a little rub action on the 4Runner. Which one do you want, left or right?
I'll take left.
Alright, it's fine. I can't see either one of them worth a damn. Alright. Alright. I'm not feeling too terrible about that. Alright, let's go see how we did. Usually not too good on my first group. Hey, not too bad.
How low am I?
Alright, so I'm right here on the right. And she is over here on the left.
One low, one high, one on.
Yeah, alright, so let's go again. Not too bad. What do you think about that? Is that alright?
I'll take it.
You good with that?
Stupid.
All right, let's go see how we did. I feel good about that one. How about you?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I told you I got my twitchy eye thing.
Your twitchy eye?
Yeah. I'm already twitchy.
All right, here we go. Group 2, there's me. Group 3, hey, she freaking nailed 2 of them. She got all 3 in the 2-inch target. Hell yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's go one more. You want to mark those?
I redeemed myself.
Yeah, those are kind of hard to mark, but no, that's pretty good. I'm down with that. I'm a little.
Where are you? 1, 2.
Yeah, just mark that bottom one and the top one. Just so, yeah, just circle them. That's fine. That'll work. Because it looks like my. Oh yeah, that. Yeah, never mind. You can mark that one too.
I think it counts. Well, whatever. I don't know.
All right, yeah, that'll work. All right, cool. I'm feeling good about that. So we got one more group of mags loaded.
Yeah.
All right, you feeling good about that one?
I don't know. I blinked. I closed my eyes. I don't know where it goes.
I think I got one off here. So I can tell a difference. The 5.56 is slinging. You want to grab that?
Oh.
The 5.56 is ejecting a little further than the 2.23. I knew I had one that was off. That one was way off. All right, so yeah, not too great, but
There's my 3 in a row.
yeah, I'm all right. There's you. Well, you're doing all right. Now let's see what we can do with iron sights. You want to mark that one and that one. All right, stepping it up. Like I said, I'm not 100% where this one should be pretty good, but I don't think it's perfect. But shit, that one wasn't. Yeah, I don't feel good about 2 of those.
Let's see. Was that 2?
Yeah. You just fired 2.
How did I do that?
By pulling the trigger like a freaking madman. You must have just reset it.
Yeah, because I pulled it slow. I must have done the.
Yeah.
Oops.
All right. Well, Jamie
that's
just learned how
gonna
to
be
go
bad.
full auto.
Huh.
All right. I'm not feeling good about that group.
At
Honestly,
all.
that trigger. Put the safety on.
Is that this one?
Yeah. Click that up and set it to where the muzzle doesn't hit the table. Otherwise, it might stick to it.
Like.
Yeah. All right. All right. Let's go.
Oh,
This
God,
is gonna be
this
terrible.
so bad.
No, I got used to the 2-stage trigger, and that one is definitely not. So, all right, so here we are. Terrible, terrible, terrible.
Oh, I didn't grab the marker, did you?
I got there, there, and there. And You got one there,
and then
one there, and your full auto one, I have no idea where that one went. It probably didn't hit. Okay. Yeah, pretty bad. But at least you hit the damn target. I didn't hit shit. All right, let's do this again.
The other two don't count because that was a surprise. Oh wait, don't. Oh my God. That was gonna be so loud. Okay, I'm ready.
I'm not feeling good about that second one, but everything else should be all right.
Okay. All right.
All right, how you feeling about that?
I don't know.
I don't either. All right, here's the target. No, I'm not doing very well with that rifle at all.
Okay, so that was, which one was last time? That one?
No, last time you had that
this
one, and then
and over here,
yeah,
and missing us. So this
so
time
you're
would be
actually
this
better
one,
than
and then
I
too
am right
high.
now. So here, just mark these all as one, or yeah, mark those two and then those right there.
Like
so I haven't
together?
even hit the damn.
Like that.
Like I said, I didn't feel good about where the 0 was on this one, but I can't really.
Whatever.
I'm not getting good feedback from how shitty I'm shooting it right now. Looks like high and to the left, but I also have 2 low and to the right. So let's do this again. Oh, I don't think I was recording. Well, I don't think I recorded that last one. Anyway, let's go see how terrible we did. Maybe I can get some consistency because I know I need to do some adjusting on that one. All right. So yeah, I'm still all up here high and to the left.
One here.
And you're still a little high and to the left. So I got these 3, I'm pretty sure. So I feel good about that group. It's just like 3 inches off the target. All right, let's see if we can hit this after some minor adjustments.
Did you adjust it?
Yep, yeah, I did the elevation just a little bit. Now the sun's all right. All right. I feel better about what I did, but I still don't know if I did any better. So let's see here. Hey, I got 2 of them on. Looks like I did have a straggler though, so I got 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there.
And it looks like I got.
So you're a little. No, that was already.
That one was
oh, you
already
got
there.
that second one.
I got 1 there, 1 there.
So.
And maybe 1 stuck in another of the others.
I still have 2 high. Let's go one more round. Let's circle that one and that one. and just really concentrate on pulling that freaking hair trigger. Yeah, grab your ears. Okay. Okay, good. The sun's not shining either.
So did you adjust it again, or?
No.
Okay.
No, because I felt pretty good about where I set it. All right.
Over the place.
Yeah, I am too. Yeah, what the hell? All right, so this target is just freaking pretty done in. You're killing it over there. I have that straggler, and I can't even tell, to be quite honest with you. I guess it's probably time for a new target.
Yeah, what's that? There's one.
Let's throw a fresh target up off to the side and then go one more round with that rifle. See what's up. Okay. This rifle's just not treat me very well today. So you got 3. You're still all over the place.
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, I feel good about that, but I feel really bad about that. So, all right, well, let's mark these, and we're gonna try the other rifle that has the 2-stage trigger.
Mark these as done.
Because that's what I've been shooting. It feels more like the AR. So, I mean, I can't really come up with an excuse other than, yeah, it looks like I need more practice with that rifle. It was pissing me off the day that I was zeroing it in compared to the other 2.
See why?
Huh?
See why?
Yeah, and I mean, well, I don't...
It's not all user error.
I've never... Well, I know I can shoot the other rifle very well. So that'll also tell us if this ammo is complete garbage too. So that's a factor. This is some... All right. New rifle that I know I can shoot.
Okay.
Let's see if I can shoot.
Let's see if I can shoot.
Yeah. It feels more like the AR, a little heavier, but you can feel the build on it, unlike that one just freaking goes.
Yeah.
Which is nice. All right. I'm not gonna lie, I've always liked a single stage trigger until I started shooting dual stage triggers. Now for doing like drills,
Yeah.
it's probably better, but for this, I don't know, shoot 3 rounds, let's see what happens. The safety isn't as nice on that one.
No.
What do you think?
I think we'll see.
The proof is in the... Now the rifle is cold, so I usually end up a little high the first round. So let's see what the target looks like.
It looks like I'm high.
No, I'm off. So there's your group right there. God, it looks like I was way freaking high. Yeah, I got 1 and 1 there. That's crazy.
Where's your other one?
I got 1 there, 1 there. Hell, I don't even see the other one. It looks like it probably went off the dam. So let's go again. I usually get high. That's usually about right when the rifle is cold. That might be a little extreme, but, and hit that one too. Yeah, that might be a little extreme, but you're getting about the same thing that I normally do. So let's go try that again.
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, so I got a better group that time, but it's still a good bit above. I'm definitely not happy with that. That rifle was dialed in on a 2-inch target a few weeks ago. So I got a good group. It's still high though. I'm not sure what you have going on over here. You got that one
for sure.
and a couple flyers.
Probably that one.
Yeah, that one definitely.
And maybe...
Come on, you got it. I hit the target once.
Yeah, I'll work on that.
Yeah, I would mark that one, and I think let's just go back and hit the target from here.
That one and this one for sure.
Maybe. All right. This is the one. Rifle's good and warm. All right. It's about to happen. I hit the damn thing.
Did I? That's the question.
You got it too. Look at that.
Okay.
Okay. Here's mine. We got 1, 2, and I don't know where number 3 went. But there's 2. Oh, I had double right here, so I had 1 straggler. So, okay. All right.
So what are you, these 2?
Yeah, those 2. And yeah, that's good.
And I'm
then
1,
you
2,
got
3.
those 3. Yeah, that's a real good group. Yeah, you're doing, yeah, you're.
Okay.
So you're hitting on the left too.
Yeah.
Let's go 3 more. These targets are about, we're about to have to break the pistols out. Finish them off. Okay, feel a little better about that. Rifle's nice and warm. All right, let's try that. Our chair's got the gangster lean.
Huh? The gangster lean?
Yeah, it's pretty bad. All right. All right, here we go. Sucks getting old.
I'm out.
Shit. Hold on. Let's go ahead and double check it. Make sure there's nothing in there. Okay, yeah, it's just empty. Well, I'll tell you what. Do you want to mark it and then that way you can do 3? Or do you want to just see where we're at? I hate it you got shorted. Okay.
They were side by side. To the left. To the left, to the left, to the left.
I have no idea.
Yours are...
I got
I'm
that.
gonna say that one.
Yeah, I'm still high. I'm going to have to do some more adjusting. I'm going to come out here on a day.
Without me?
No. No, just, I mean, we were doing so good with the AR, and then the Riley Defense rifle, we did really, really bad. And I'll say we're doing okay, mediocre, maybe, with this one. But, I mean...
We just need a 10-inch target.
We're definitely, yeah, exactly. We're definitely taking out the threat, I would say. Anyway.
If this was a person, they would have no collarbones, right?
So, well, hey, did you have fun?
Yeah.
There you go. So it's back to sniper school for us.
Mm-hmm.
All right. 10mm Hornady critical duty defense versus some more jugs. Well, I'll hold these. Think I'm gonna get wet?
It could happen.
GoPro got it. It went through both. Yeah, and I got a little wet. Damn, it blew the back of that one out pretty good. Oh, it split the bottom. I thought that there was a chance it would catch it, but...
I got like 3 drops splashed in my legs.
Oh well. Hey, my table made it.
Now you need a towel and it'll be clean.
I don't have a table sponsor. All right, that's it. All right, here we are leaving the pit. We need to do some trimming.
I told you we need to bring the weed eater.
We need to bring more than a freaking weed eater. My brother needs to bring his damn tractor. That would be really nice. Just come out here and do this road, man. That would be freaking greatly appreciated.
Something up on his tractor when he does it, though.
Not the road. He's got a badass tractor. It'll chop rocks and shit.
I just know last time Chris tried to bush hog, he didn't get very much done and then
Really?
messed up the bush hog hitting a rock.
All right. So, lessons learned today. What did you learn today? Your pistol game needs some work.
Yeah, I already knew that, so I wouldn't say I learned it.
I learned that I suck at shooting a single stage trigger now, and that's all I used to use. So practice, practice, practice. Anyway, you gonna say hey to Glock Punisher 1?
So that's just funny. High Glock Punisher 1.